What's going on YouTube? Today's video of the brand new iPhone 17 Pro that we're going to take a look at. We have some cases here for it, so we're going to go ahead and check them out. It's officially iPhone season. We have the brand new Casekoo iPhone 17 Pro cases. We're going to check them out in this video. These are brand new. They have a new patent design on this. We're going to check it out. They sent out two different colorways as well as the demo unit so we could actually focus on them. Yes, it is going to be a fake phone. I'm recording this way before the iPhone is even announced. And I know we're still gonna get comments. Let them come, you know? We're gonna check it out here. So this is the fake phone here. Again, it's fake. If someone still comments them, I want everyone to flame on that person, please. Okay, so here's the phone. This is the design, and I like the look on it. And this is actually my favorite case right here so far. So I did take a look at them before, but nice. Like navy blue. I think that looks absolutely amazing. We're going to take a look at the other case. So they sent out two different versions, so we're going to check both of them out. And I love CaseQ cases. They're really nice here. It says we have MagicStand with 360 degree with the MagSafe as well, and then we have some stickers. So here's the other case. Now obviously these cases do come in multiple different colorways. I believe maybe a clear case will be in the works and other types. Glossy finish with some transparent backing. You have the MagSafe accessory there, which of course allows you to apply on your power banks or even your wallets very, very seamlessly. So you'll have no issues whatsoever. I don't know if this dummy unit has it. Oh, it does. That's really cool. Okay, so yeah, that's what that's gonna look like when you put on your MagSafe accessories, and the magnets on here are really strong. So if I go ahead and, you know, you heard that, that's pretty loud. So you're gonna have no issues when it comes to the magnets. Now what's new about these magnets is actually, you know, traditionally it was just a kickstand that you can, you know, adjust however you want. And now you can actually rotate it 360 degrees, which is really cool because there's going to be a lot more MagSafe accessories that allow you to attach things such as lighting or anything, literally, even tripods. You can mount this on like a tripod. So there's actually like adapters that have, you know, MagSafe on them, and then you can attach it onto your camera or even like a tripod, which this will allow you to kind of just move it however you want. You can get it out the way if you need it to get out the way so that we can plug things in at the bottom. If it was like normal, it might get in the way of some things, but you could just move it out the way, which is awesome. So I really appreciate that you're able to turn it however you want. So there's going to be a lot of different possibilities when it comes to this new technology that they implemented within their cases. Now their cases are actually very protective. We're gonna go and slap this one on real quick. So you have a lot of lip protection when it comes to this. All the cutouts are perfectly aligned. Even the action button, you can hear the clicks. You know, the camera control slider, I guess you could say. You can click it still, power button's accessible. And then you even have your new bar system. So the flash and microphone as well as the LiDAR sensor here on the right, that has protection. It's like a lip in here and then has, you know, harder plastic. And then right here for the camera as well has a little bit of a lip, giving you a lot more protection. And even when it's laying flat, there's no wobble. This version here, because this is my personal favorite, especially with this colorway, the white and the navy blue. This looks beautiful. And this one's a little bit more of a harder plastic, a lot more comfortable. Buttons are super clicky. I like the satisfying feel. And it has like a little, you know, like, I guess like feeling right here. I don't know, it's nice. It feels really good. So you can actually feel where the phone is, like the real button, that way you can actually press the button. You have minimal branding right here, Casekoo, and then obviously your kickstand, which super helpful. Like I said, you could twist it, so you could put it like this as well, vertically, so you can move it however you want, which is, again, just, it's going to be so much useful when they announce new MagSafe accessories. I love this one. If they have different colors in them, I would recommend it. If they have a black, this is like a frosted finish on the backing, because the new iPhone is supposed to be a two-tone finish. So it's supposed to be like a glass here in the back, similar to exactly how this case looks. So the case is going to be a glass here on the phone, and then the rest of it's going to be like an aluminum structure. That's rumored. I don't know if it's actually true because like I said, I'm recording this way before. Okay, so the cool thing that separates these cases from other ones that are going to be announced pretty soon is number one, CaseQ actually was able to pick these specific colors on purpose because that's what the colors are going to be when it comes for the iPhone 17 Pro. So they're going to have a orange version as well as a blue version. So they went with those two colors. That's why they sent it to me. Another thing is obviously the D cover case is what it's called. It has this support beam right here in the middle rather than other ones not having that. That just obviously gives it better flexibility and doesn't make it like warp in, I guess. It's just an extra level of protection to help with the camera and the overall structure of the case itself. So it's really nice to have that. The fact that it's a full cutout and instead of a button, because I want to say last year when the actual device came out, when they did have buttons, it was a little finicky for the device manufacturers, like the case manufacturers. It was a little finicky when it came to that. It's just better to have a physical button, like just for the full cutout, in my opinion. It just depends on the case, obviously, and the budget of what you guys have. If you want more premium style cases, I think they do offer a button style, but it might be a little bit more expensive. These cases, without a doubt, they're gonna last a long time. They're very protective. I'm not gonna do a drop test, not yet, maybe, but it's very protective. Now, this is a dummy unit, but we could drop it. I'm hoping it doesn't break because I don't want glass everywhere, but I have no doubts when it comes to this case. And that's loud, obviously, and it's perfectly fine. So if you guys do want to check it out, I highly recommend it. Once again, I like this matte version. They might have multiple colors available to match the phone itself, so they'll probably have an orange version of this, like frosted finish. I recommend this one. If you could get this one, I would recommend it. This one is for some users, you know, it does look really good. I like the orange. I know my dad's gonna be happy for sure when it comes to the orange. Orange. So if you want to check it out, link is in the description down below to buy. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy iPhone season. You guys just watched the event, go get it. I'll see you guys next one. We out.